Question number 7 is about lining up. It's a very classic question we always talk about. Okay, first of all, no constraint, no restriction. So look here, altogether line. People line up. Okay, no constraint. So the number of ways to do it, it will be a 9 factorial. Calculate the time, and then you will get a big number, V62880. And then second part is a little bit tricky. Okay, the girls must be sit next to each other, so the 3 girls becomes 1 group. Okay, together with the 6.7 groups. Okay, so we have 7 factorial is the combination, but the 3 girls also have a combination of a 3 factorials. So together is 7 factorials times 3 factorials, so it's 30,240. Okay, part B is taken out for summer camp. Okay, so they take 5 members for the summer camp. At least 2 girls. Okay, actually that's 3 girls, right? So it should be 2 girls combination plus 3 girls combination, right? These 2 combination. Okay, for the first one, okay, 2 girls. So choose VC2. Okay, and then 3 boys. Okay. Second one is 3 girls and 2 boys. Okay. And then calculate the time again. Okay, use the calculator to find them. Make sure you know how to do it. Okay, sorry. 60 plus 15. So it's 75. I think the most challenging part is A2. Okay, but it always happens. So make sure you know how to do it. Learn it is the requirements of IBDP. You know it, and you get the marks. Got it? Well done.